Well, hey everybody, you're looking at a fridge and you're like, what's going on here? So I've had really good luck with these appliances. It's unique. And but I have one little minor issue. To me it's minor because I think I figured it out. It'll run for 6 hours, then it'll shut off. And you're like, yeah. What it is, I think, and I'm about to find out, and I'll keep editing this video, just kind of do you an update in the video, but it's a thermocouple. And what I've done, get down here, sorry, mode. So right here, that's the thermocouple. See the jam nut? I'm bringing it out in 1/4 inch, and I mean in, I'm putting it in more flame. If you don't know how a thermocouple works, it's two dissimilar metals, and when you get two dissimilar metals and you put heat on it, you'll get a slight voltage, and the voltage is going to the gas valve and turning it off. If it doesn't get heat, it doesn't make that millivolt of voltage, and then it shuts off. So either I need to adjust this thermocouple or I need a new thermocouple. And while I was troubleshooting this, Unique called me and walked me through and came to the same conclusion. I also found out that Unique is being ripped off by the Chinese with the product called SMAD. I actually have one of those freezers. It's an exact copy, which is kind of BS. I hope they sue them. I'll be honest, when I bought it, I thought I was just buying a generic brand of Unique. Thought they were making a, just a house brand. It's not. It's a Chinese ripoff. So shame on them, and I feel like I got ripped off. I'd rather spend the extra money and support a North American company, especially with the C word going on. It ain't cool. So I'm going to get going here. I can't film and work, so I'm going to shut the camera off while I work and then show you what it looks like buttoned up again. So you're going to help me troubleshoot, kinda. I'm going to go to the front. You're going to watch the blue flame happen, and if the flame comes on, I'm good to go. I'm going to show you something else. So something very cool that Unique does. Remember us talking about millivoltage? Sorry, I'm getting old. Let me move the camera. If you can see that meter right there, let me get a better light on it. See the green? That's working off the voltage of the thermocouple. It's not rocket science what they've done here. So if you've got one of these fridges, turn the camera around. If you've got one of these fridges and you just put in the wrong thermocouple, it may not read the voltage good enough to drive that meter. I would not play around. If you do need a new thermocouple, just call Unique. They'll ship it to you. It'll work. If you go with a generic like a Robert Shaw or a Honeywell, you may not get that meter working, and without that meter working, you don't know the fridge is working, and that's, your food's too critical. So something else you can get by on until you figure it out. You can always put it on electric. So this is going to wrap the video up. So far so good. It's working great. That's all it took. I cannot stress enough how good Unique's customer service is. So I appreciate you watching the video, and take care. God bless.